In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to index customization for objects. We'll be working inside HubSpot, and I'll walk you through how to control which views appear by default for a specific object, like contacts. This is really useful if you want to clean up your workspace and make sure your team always sees the most relevant views first. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look up at the top toolbar and find the gear icon, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that. In the settings area, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, scroll until you find the section called Data Management. Under Data Management, click on Objects. Inside the Objects area, you'll see a drop-down at the top that lets you choose which object you want to work with. This could be contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or any other available object. For this walkthrough, we'll use contacts as an example, but the process is the same for other objects. After selecting contacts, look for the tab labeled Index Customization. Click on that tab. This is where you control which views are available for that object's index page. Once you're on the Index Customization tab, click on Default View Customization. Now you'll see a panel where you can manage the different views. On the left side, you'll find all the standard views you can include in the default index. These might include views like All Contacts, Marketing Contacts, My Contacts, My Recently Assigned Contacts, My Uncontacted, Needs Email, Follow-up, Needs Next Action, and Unassigned Contacts. Each of these has a checkbox next to it. To include any of these standard views in your default index, simply check the box next to the view name. If you don't want a view to appear, just leave it unchecked or uncheck it if it's already selected. Below the standard views, you may also see options for custom views, such as all customers, newsletter subscribers, and unsubscribed. These are views that have been created based on criteria your team uses. Just like with the standard views, you can choose which custom views to include by checking or unchecking their boxes. As you make changes, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a live preview that updates automatically. Any view you check will appear in this preview, and anything you uncheck will be removed from it. This makes it easy to confirm that the final list of views matches what you want your users to see. Once you're happy with the selection and the preview looks good, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. Your changes will now apply to the index page for that object. And that's it. You've successfully customized the index views for your object in HubSpot.